Hi, welcome to 2010 Crown Royal box break, number 1. As you can see, we got our box still sealed, so let's get to it. Checklist. 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, and number 4. Okay, Drew Brees, Armani Edwards, Carolina Panthers auto, Marquise Pouncey, Fred Williamson, Vernon Davis, and Matt Moore. We have Mike Sims Walker, Dallas Clark jersey, Colts, Jimmy Graham, Charlie Taylor, Deshaun Jackson, and Terrell Owens. Brett Favre, Devin McCourty, gold auto, Patriots. Pat Enger, Demaryius Thomas, Drew Brees, and Dwayne Bowe. And I got our last pack here. Okay, we got Antonio Gates, Joe Flacco jersey, Ravens, Dan Williams, Harlon Hill, Felix Jones, and Beanie Wells. Okay, so that concludes the 2010 box break number 1 of Crown Royal. We have some other Crown Royal box breaks. Please check those out, and thanks for buying.